Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5, understanding elementary shapes. In this we are going to study quadrilaterals. Now children, what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides. Now children, for example, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, etc. They all are quadrilateral. Now see children, this is the square. How many sides it has? Four sides. Quadrilateral. Rectangle, four sides. This rhombus, shapes you keep in mind children. This is rhombus. This is parallelogram. These two are trapezium. Okay children, now let's see the properties of these quadrilaterals along with the questions from exercise 5.7. We will see the properties along with the questions children. So let's solve exercise 5.7. Now children, first question is say true or false. Now A1 is children, each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. See children, understand the question. Each angle. How many angles are there in a rectangle? 4 angles. And each angle is of 90 degree. So is it correct? Yes, this is true. Now children, the second question is the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. This is opposite side, they are equal. This side is opposite to this side, they are also equal. So the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. True. Okay children. Now the third question is the diagonals of the square are perpendicular to each other. Now see children, these are the diagonals. The line joining opposite vertex is known as diagonal. And if you see at the diagonal, they are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So this is true. From all the side it is of measure 90 degree. Okay. Now children, D question is all the sides of the rhombus are of equal length. Now this is the shape of rhombus. And all the sides of the rhombus are of equal length. Yes, they all are equal in length. This is the rhombus. This sign indicates children that they all are equal. Now children, E number question is all the sides of the parallelogram are of equal length. Now how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing that all of them are equal? Opposites are equal but all are not equal. So all the sides of the parallelogram are of equal length. False. Now children, the next question is the opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. See children, this is parallel to this. But these two are parallel? No. This is parallel to this. But these two are parallel? No. So this is false. Opposite sides of the trapezium are parallel. Both opposite sides are not parallel. Only one is parallel. So this is false. Now children, question number 2 is give reasons for the following. Question number 2 of exercise 5.7. Now children, give reasons for the following. First is a square can be thought of as a special rectangle. Now children, what they are telling that square can be thought of as a rectangle. Now see, square has all the properties as that of rectangle. Now children, what are the properties of rectangle? Its opposite sides are equal and its each angle is of 90 degree. This is the properties of rectangle. Now children, a square has all the properties. See children, this is the figure of square and this is the figure of rectangle. Now this has what is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. This also opposite sides are equal. Now children, each angle is 90 degree in rectangle. Here also each angle is of 90 degree. So as square has all the properties as that of rectangle, the square can be thought as a special rectangle. Understood, children, what is the meaning of the question and how to write that answer? Now, children, see B number question. A rectangle can be thought of as a special parallelogram. Now, children, first we will see what are the properties of parallelogram. Now, children, if you look at parallelogram, it is like this. Its angles are not 90 degree, children. No? And this is rectangle. Now, children, see. In first properties of parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So in rectangle also opposite sides are equal. And also opposite sides are parallel. Here these two are parallel. So in this also these opposite sides are parallel. See, this is parallel to this. And this is parallel to this. So a rectangle has the same properties as that of parallelogram. So a rectangle is a special parallelogram. Now, children, a square can be thought of as a special rhombus. Now see, children, this is square. Okay, and this is rhombus. Its all sides are equal. This also all sides are equal. Now, children, see, properties of rhombus is its all sides are equal and its diagonals are perpendicular. Here also the diagonals are perpendicular. And see, children, here the diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. So the properties of rhombus is its all the sides are equal and its diagonals are perpendicular to each other. A square has the same properties as that of rhombus. So it is a special rhombus. Okay, children. Now next question. Squares, rectangle, parallelograms are all quadrilaterals. As they all have four sides, they are all quadrilaterals. Okay, children? A polygon having four sides is called as quadrilateral. Now, E number question, children. A square is also a parallelogram. Now, children, what are the properties of parallelogram? Its opposite sides are parallel and its opposite sides are equal. Now in square also, children, we see that its opposite sides are equal and its opposite sides are parallel. So children, we will write the answer. Properties of parallelogram is its opposite sides are parallel and its opposite sides are equal. As square has the same property same as that of parallelogram, so it is also a parallelogram. Children, this is the answer. Now, children, let's see question number 3. Now, children, a figure is said to be a regular if its sides are equal in length and all angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? What is the name of that quadrilateral, children? Whose all sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Yes, it is square. Square is the only regular quadrilateral with equal sides and equal angles. Therefore, square is a regular quadrilateral. Now, children, in the next video, we will see about polygons.